79 against 80. Half shot lang ang lamang ng Fatima. Tumawid to Mr. Maranday. Tuwa ka na siya. Mr. Sagres. Wala. Ay pasipa pa sa tiin. Pero may mga Mr. Romawid. Tumawid. Lincoln. Tuwa ka na siya. Atanasio. Tumaranday. Maranday. Mr. Maranday. Nakalusot pa. Last 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Sumorostro ay hawak ng bola. Nasa Mr. Zelda. Dito mo sa Mr. Zelda. Is a key goal. Mr. Zelda. Is a tie score na. Tie score na. Tie score na. Ito all. 14 to shoot.
Remaining time was 1 minute and 50 seconds.
Managay controlling the ball.
14 to shoot.
Atanasio.
10 to shoot.
Atanasio. Back to Mr. Maranday. Ilarta. Buang yang mau digerakkan. Atanasio
Last 1 minute and 10 seconds.
Hello, Atanasio controlling the ball.
14 to shoot.
Last 57 seconds players. Grabe. Doon sa kabanan. Sumurustro. Marta.
Patay, graduate.
Foul receive number. Who's correct? 11 is a Maranday.
Graduate.
Maranday!
Congratulations!
You are graduate. Penalty.
Imbis sabi na mo man nagkaroon
Congratulations, Mr. Maranday. You are graduate. Bachelor of Science.
Tinaymat kong luto ba ni Ambak?
Masih ini. Every time last 50 seconds is score. Pakibasa ka sa score. 85-82, pangalawang tira sa Morostro. Pasok. 85-83 na. Gamora. Ay. Atanasio. Tumay sa Ribalsado. Atanasio.
Last 40 seconds.
14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 35 seconds. 5 to shoot. Last 30 seconds.
Okay.
This ball is going to Fatima. Winning time last 27 seconds. Last 2 seconds to shoot.
Gitu po lang si Upaw.
Last 2 seconds to shoot. Ang masyat ay out. Pirata. Time! Bola na timana. Tayo masyat na.
Last 2 seconds.
Time out with. Time out at Team Mara selection. Winning time last 23 seconds. Score!
Saan to?
In score Pina. 83 against 85. Lamang pa rin ang Team Fatima.
Ako na basok.
Shot clock.
Content foul.
Ay!